Hey there, my friend. Welcome back to the English Talk Show. I'm Peter, and I'm really glad you're here with me today. Let me ask you something. Have you ever listened to a real English conversation and thought, whoa, I didn't catch half of that? Or maybe you understood the words, but not the meaning, the feeling, the natural flow. Well, today, that changes. Because in this episode, I'm going to share a short, simple, real-life conversation with you. And if you stay with me until the end, repeat, listen, and speak along, this conversation could actually move you one big step closer to fluency. Seriously, you'll hear it once, just like a native would. Then we'll break it down, explain the key phrases, repeat together, and practice speaking out loud. By the time we finish, you'll feel more confident and way more fluent. So, grab your headphones, take a deep breath, and let's do this together. Ready? All right. Before we jump into the conversation, let me give you a little background so your brain can start getting ready. Imagine this. Two coworkers, Sarah and Jake, are in the office taking a short break near the coffee machine. It's late Thursday afternoon, and the week has been crazy busy. Jake wants to check in about a report that's due soon. And Sarah, well, she's been juggling a million tasks. It's a real everyday type of conversation, short, natural, and full of the kind of English people use all the time. Now, here's your challenge. Try to understand as much as you can when I play the full conversation in just a moment. Don't worry about understanding every single word. Just listen. Feel the rhythm. Catch the tone. Then we'll break it all down together. You ready to test your ears? Here comes the full conversation. No subtitles. No translation, just English. Let's listen.
Hey Sarah, did you get a chance to finish the report for Friday?
Not yet, Jake. I've been buried in emails all day.
Same here. I feel like I'm just treading water this week.
I know, right? I stayed late last night and I'm still behind.
Think you'll be able to wrap it up by tomorrow?
I'll try. Might have to come in early just to catch up.
All right, let me know if you need a hand.
Thanks, Jake. I might take you up on that.
All right. Now let's go through the conversation line by line. I'll explain what each phrase means, and then you'll repeat after me, okay? Let's dive in. Jake. Hey, Sarah, did you get a chance to finish the report for Friday? So, did you get a chance means did you have time? It's a polite, casual way to ask if someone was able to do something. Repeat after me. Did you get a chance to finish the report for Friday? Again, did you get a chance to finish the report for Friday? Nice. Sarah. Not yet, Jake. I've been buried in emails all day. Not yet means I haven't done it, but I will soon. Buried in emails means very busy with a lot of emails, like overwhelmed. Repeat after me. Not yet, Jake. I've been buried in emails all day. Let's try that again. I've been buried in emails all day. Great job. Jake. Same here. I feel like I'm just treading water this week. Same here means me too. Treading water is an idiom that means I'm working hard but not making progress. Repeat after me. Same here. I feel like I'm just treading water this week. Again, slowly. I feel like I'm just treading water this week. That's a very real expression. We use it when we feel stuck or overwhelmed. Sarah. I know, right? I stayed late last night and I'm still behind. I know, right, means totally agree. Still behind means I still haven't caught up. I have work left to do. Repeat. I stayed late last night and I'm still behind. Once more. I'm still behind. Good.
Think you'll be able to wrap it up by tomorrow? Wrap it up means finish it. By tomorrow means before or on Friday. Say it with me. Think you'll be able to wrap it up by tomorrow? Let's go again. Wrap it up by tomorrow? Perfect. Sarah, I'll try. Might have to come in early just to catch up. I'll try means I'll do my best. Come in early means arrive at work early. Catch up means get back on track. Finish what's left. Repeat. Might have to come in early just to catch up. Say it again. Come in early just to catch up. Excellent. Jake. All right. Let me know if you need a hand. Need a hand means need help. Super common expression. Repeat after me. Let me know if you need a hand. Again, if you need a hand. Nice. Sarah, thanks, Jake. I might take you up on that. Take you up on that means accept your offer. Let's say it. I might take you up on that. Once more. Thanks, Jake. I might take you up on that. Well done! You're doing great. All of these phrases are things native speakers say every day, and now you can say them too. Now we'll listen to the full conversation again, but this time more slowly, so you can catch even more. Ready to keep going? Let's do it.
Hey Sarah, did you get a chance to finish the report for Friday?
Not yet, Jake. I've been buried in emails all day.
Same here. I feel like I'm just treading water this week.
I know, right? I stayed late last night and I'm still behind.
Think you'll be able to wrap it up by tomorrow?
I'll try. Might have to come in early just to catch up.
All right. Let me know if you need a hand.
Thanks, Jake. I might take you up on that.
All right. Now it's time for you to speak. We've listened, we've repeated, we've understood. Now let's take it a step further. I'll play the role of Jake, and you will be Sarah. Your job is to respond in her place, just like in a real conversation. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect. Just try your best, speak out loud, and enjoy it. Ready? Let's go. Hey, Sarah. Did you get a chance to finish the report for Friday? Same here. I feel like I'm just treading water this week. Think you'll be able to wrap it up by tomorrow? All right. Let me know if you need a hand. Nice job! You just went through a full conversation, actively, confidently, in English. Want to try the other role? Let's flip it around. Now you'll be Jake, and I'll be Sarah. Not yet, Jake. I've been buried in emails all day. I know, right? I stayed late last night and I'm still behind. I'll try. Might have to come in early just to catch up. Thanks, Jake. I might take you up on that. That was awesome. And here's the secret. The more you do this, the more your brain gets used to speaking without translating. This is how fluency starts to happen. If you enjoyed this, just imagine doing it every day, 5 or 10 minutes at a time. Hey, before we finish, I just want to say, you did something powerful today. You didn't just listen, you understood, you repeated, you spoke. And if you do this kind of practice regularly, real conversations, clear explanations, active speaking, that dream of fluency, it gets closer every single time. So don't stop here. Replay this episode tomorrow. Or better yet, grab another one and keep going. 5 minutes a day, 10, whatever you can. But keep showing up, because consistency is what builds confidence. And hey, if you enjoyed today's episode, do me a quick favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you don't miss the next one, and if you want more help speaking English naturally, check out the link in the description. You'll find our English conversation guide full of phrases like the ones we practiced today. All right, thanks for learning with me. I'm Peter, and I'll see you, or better yet, I'll talk to you in the next episode. Take care and keep speaking. Bye for now.